Hi YouTube, this is Emboli. In this video I'll be talking about how to propagate Anubias. Anubias is a beautiful plant, very low maintenance, doesn't need much to keep it alive, just needs a little bit of light and water needs to be reasonably clean. This particular plant here is the mini petite variety. In this video I'll show you how to divide it, how to propagate it, and basically how to trim it so to keep it nice and healthy. If you have a look at the plant here, along the bottom there, that really thick sort of branch coming down the bottom there, that's a rhizome. So that is basically what you need to cut to divide this plant. I mean, these roots here, I mean, you can give them a trim if they're a bit sort of, you know, sick, or if they look like they're dying off. You can just trim some of it off. Also, make sure the leaves are nice and healthy, because if you've got a sick leaf like this one here with algae on it, it's not going to do the plant much good. It's going to consume a lot of energy and the plant's going to struggle, so you're better off just pruning those leaves off. Now to divide it, see where that leaf sort of comes up there? You want to cut it at the rhizome. So that's a whole new plant now. You can glue this to a bit of driftwood, which I'll show you in future videos. So there's another leaf there that, I don't know, looks a bit, doesn't look too healthy, so I'll be trimming that off. And I'll cut another bit at the rhizome there. So that's another whole new plant. So that's plant number 2. Now let's get rid of this little bit of dead root there. Now as you can see, I mean, this bit here is all sort of rotting, so let's just trim that bit off. Don't really need that. Now you can trim the roots quite short and the rhizome will grow new roots, so you don't have to worry about killing the plant. I mean, this is a very, very hardy plant, so you don't really need to worry about killing it off. Now, this particular bit here, that will form 2 new plants. So you can see out of this rhizome here, you've got 2 plants. So there's number 1 there, there's number 2 there. So if you want, you can keep it as 1 plant, but I kind of want to have 2 to put onto 2 new pieces of wood. So I'm just going to divide that at the rhizome. You can see the rhizome there. That's going to survive, right? So if you super glue that to a piece of driftwood, that will survive. So that's 2 new plants there. So basically you've ended up with four separate plants, and in future videos I will show you what super glue to use and how to super glue it to a piece of driftwood. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will keep making more videos in future. And yeah, see you around.